You see the camera, you got it?
Ice cream man. You feel
hey, look at
me?
the back. They even got their brand at the back. Stop playing.
Aporro.
What's poppin', you little sweethearts? BDS gang, y'all see what's in my hand. We got us a little package today. Pulling up to the little crib, you know what I'm saying? Finna see what this about. Look. You feel me? Got us a little gift today from Apparel brand. I think that's how they say that name. They sent us a little some quick little drip. So you feel me? We're gonna do the unboxing with y'all. You did.
Ooh, get here. You get free shit.
Ooh, they gave us a little bag
hey,
too.
Hold up, pause. Check out the baggie. Apparel, you feel me? Jewelry company, Apparel. They are very professional. There's nothing inside here. They just added it to be, you feel me, professional. Yeah. I like it. I fuck with it.
I like this little bag.
It's hold up.
It's black and gold.
Tough. Look at that. Peep. Apparel.
Apparel brand. Now let's see. You feel me?
Oh, hold up. Before we even get to it, look at the craftsmanship. You feel me? I don't know what's in here. It could be 2 chains, it could be 1 chain, you feel me? We don't know, they just sent it to us today, but just look at the craftsmanship, you feel me? To all my young bucks out there, craftsmanship is key, you feel?
Stop playing.
Anyways, is you ready? All right, look, we're gonna get real close with it.
What is it, son?
Oh no! Oh, you feel me? All right, wait.
Damn, I'm thinking, I heard that, bro.
Hold up! Not 1, not 2, not 3.
4?
4 baggies?
4 baggies? Apparel was good.
Hold up, and they come with the Apparel little bro. This company is very professional. You feel me? Apparel.
Yeah, y'all finna set us up for real. I already been.
Hold up, man. Put this up. Put that down.
The Chico.
Yeah. Alright, bet.
Hold up. Look, man. Before we get the unboxing, they even, bro, feel the thickness of that card. Damn near feel like a credit card.
Bro, they got their little business card going on. Stop playing.
Stop playing with Apparel.
Hold on. Look, they got the card right here, and look what it say on the back. Stop playing. It say, "Hello, valued customer. Hello. I just wanted to take a second to thank you for your business and your recent purchase from Apparel store." Something whoopie whoop. You know what I'm saying?
They IG, they Insta, all at the bottom.
IG, Insta.
Oh, hold up. Pause. They IG, Insta, and everything else is Apparel brand. So you feel me? We gonna put the link to all that in the description box down below. But they social media to everything is Apparel brand. And then you feel me? Before we even get to open it up, I just want to admire the box again. Look at that.
Come on, that black and gold, something different. That black and gold, something different.
Some different.
You ugly, bro.
Hold up. Damn, they even got the whoop-de-whoops. You
The
feel
whole
me?
setup, bro.
They even got the whoop-de-whoops. You feel me? If you speak
on,
English,
man. I'm trying to see what the thing is. Come on. Let's get it. Come on.
Alright, let's get to it. First baggie.
First baggie.
Uh-oh. Bro, I love getting free shit, bro.
Ooh, alright. Little gold chain.
Ooh, nah, I don't want to open it. You know what?
Right here. Open that one. Open that one.
Yeah, those inside of it. Alright, bet. Screw.
Little gold chain.
Little gold chain. You feel me? Now let's admire the little textures of the chains real quick.
Boy, I feel like a little kid trying to wrap up. Come on, bro.
You slow.
Man, I can't even open mine.
Ooh, hold up. Wait a minute. This ain't just no regular little gold little chain. You feel me? They even got they signature. Hold up, zoom in on that real quick. They even got their signature, and they got them.
Look, can see that help out. Go ahead.
Look, and then they got it engraved on the back with the little signature. Oh, that's tough. It's just a plain Jane. You feel me? Looking real bright and shiny. Y'all peep the texture.
You see mine?
Real deal Holyfield. You feel me? And if y'all can feel the texture, like it's real thick. You feel me? Like you can tell a bullshit chain from like a real chain type shit. Now, I ain't saying this no bust down. You feel me?
Ooh, this is a legit chain though.
Bro, that's what I'm saying, bro. Ain't nothing be free shit.
Hold on. Let me see something now.
Now let's get up in this.
Now look. We got the chains, and I'm just assuming these the pieces. Stop playing.
I'm just assuming. You feel me?
You open that one. Open that one.
All right, hold up. I believe this is mine. I believe this one that I picked out.
Oh yeah, they did let us choose which ones we wanted. So tell me what y'all think about it. It's something different.
Hold up.
Facts. Stop playing.
All right, hold up.
Hold on.
I'ma unbox it. I'ma unbox it first.
Come on.
Then I'ma show y'all.
But let me, put it on the camera. Hey, this how you supposed to do your partner. Watch this.
I got you. Look, now I don't know if y'all fans of the It movie, but I am, bro. And they had it on this website going for the low. You feel me? So, hey, hold up.
Bust down. Stop playing. Stop playing. Put it in the camera, Pop.
Get closer.
Stop playing with them. Let me see if they. Hold on. Put it on that side.
Oh, my bad.
Right there. Stop playing with them.
With me, you feel me? The Pennywise joint.
Stop playing. Something different, something slight.
Peel it off real quick. Hold up. Let me get right with myself.
Alright, bet. Let me go ahead and just hit my John there. That hoe is something different. That is something different, man.
Why you are so
Stop playing. Stop playing.
Hold up, let me put the light on you.
Stop playing, Pop. Hold on. Hit me with the light, son.
That's the ice cream, man?
That's the ice cream.
Hold up. That's the Alright, come on.
Pop, send me. Give me right.
I got you. I gotta get that bitch out of there.
I'm trying.
Look.
Ooh,
this shit shining. Hold on, my shit shining like that.
Son, bust out.
Like
Hold on, let me see, camera. You got it?
ice cream, man. You
hey,
feel
look at the
me?
back. They even got their brand at the back. Stop playing.
Aporro. You feel?
Hey, shout out to Apparel for the nice ass pieces.
Much love. Thank y'all for showing us love once again. We really appreciate these, man. Like, y'all, hey, BDS gang, man.
Hey, is these BDS chains or what?
You feel me? I mean, you feel me? Are these big dogs? I mean, are we? You feel me? Are they?
Are they big dog chains or what? Hey, BDS gang, go comment in the section how y'all feel about our new chain. Stop playing.
Me?
Hold on, Pop. Let's put them bitches on.
That's what I'm saying, man. We're gonna put them on and give them a shout out.
I'm trying to.
I'm trying to do this. I'm gonna look live at the little scene today.
What?
Oh yeah.
And we gonna,
Hey, BDS gang, stay tuned. I don't know, you feel me? I don't know if we gonna post it today, but by the time you watching this, you would've already seen us go crazy night at Sam Houston. You feel me? Man, we pulling up tonight.
Yes, sir. Pulling up something different. Let me see.
Oh, hold up. Hold up. Oh shit.
Poppy, Poppy, give me right, bro.
You ready for my
Give me right, bro.
I got you.
Hey, real nigga, see? This what your niggas supposed to do, bro. Look out.
Bone weak. Shit.
Is that?
Oh shit. Look. Hey, bust down, Tatiana. Bust down. Hey, hold up.
I want to see you bust down. Watch this.
Hey, hold up. Hey,
Where my? Oh, you got the phone.
come on, babe.
Dun.
Oh, look.
Dun.
Cheese.
And stop playing. All right, but yeah, facts.
Hey, Hey, now look, BDS gang, if y'all want to get like us and get y'all an official Aporro chain, the link to the website will be in the description box down below.
Yes.
Now look, y'all see these chains, y'all see the quality, y'all probably thinking, damn, I'm gonna have to drop an arm and a leg. No sirree, Bob. The pendant was I believe the pendant was 70 to 80, and this is a custom piece. It was 70 to 80, and the chain was 15 to 20. So you feel me? It's real affordable, and you see the quality, man. You see the drip. You feel me? So if y'all rocking with it, y'all click the link in the description box down below, apparelbrand.com, and y'all go mess with them, man. You feel me?
Man, y'all go take his pendant. Y'all can't have my pendant. This something stiff or something different. Stop playing.
BDS gang, I ain't gonna lie. I picked this one. I picked the clown because when the hoes gonna be like, why you got a clown on your chain? Bitch, because I'm a joke. Stop playing with me.
Stop playing. But look, shout out to Apparel brand. We really appreciate the new chains y'all done gifted us with. These really something stiff, and I'm fucking with it. They got a lot of nice stuff on their website. Y'all go check it out. Go support them right quick. Now, it's Lil Dre.
Indeed, Lil D Square Live, baby.
Dripped out, you feel me?